Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how you can enable 2FA authentication in ChatGPT. So if you want to enable the two-factor authentication, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first you have to do is open your browser, then go to the ChatGPT website, which is chatgpt.com, or you can simply access it on chat.openai.com. then it will take you down to the GPT website. Then at the top corner of the screen, which is at the left top corner, tap on the two-line icon, then tap on the profile icon, then tap on settings. Then from here, tap on security. Now, for you to be able to enable the two-factor authentication, which require an extra security challenge when logging in, if you are unable to pass this challenge, you will have to option to recover your account via email. So once you have this, want to have this enabled, just tap on enable. Then you will only be going to log in using Apple while MFA is on. So for you to be able to do that, you have to turn on this option to enable this two-factor authentication, which means enable multi-factor authentication. So once you enable that, it will be enabled on your account using your Gmail account or your Google account, and that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.